Hello everyone, we will continue the topic translation of Adobe form into different languages or multiple languages. And in the previous video, we simply click onto the copy text button, all source copy, all source text copied, and we simply maintained few text into German language. Now we will go for extremely important point, and we are getting so many queries on the internet for the same. Okay, whenever you are doing the translation of the Adobe form for the first time, you will not face any difficulty at all. Whatever you maintained, whenever you will log in, you will simply get the expected result. No problem. If you check on internet also, you will find so many questions that first time translation is working fine. Next time, if you are updating that translation text, it is not working fine. It is not taking the updated text. Suppose simple example. First time you received some translation text. Suppose for item details, you received item hyphen details. You put that translated text. First time you are doing that translation. You activated. When you checked, everything was fine. You are getting the expected output. Suppose after 1 or 2 days or after 1 week, customer is saying, we want to change this translated text. Suppose they told item hyphen DTL. Suppose rather than details, they gave DTL. You will write that updated translated text. But whenever you will log in, you will still able to find that old one only. This issues come whenever we are going for translation again, multiple times. First time, no problem. After that, yes, this problem comes. And what is the solution for the same? We will cover. See, I already did that translation for the first time. So first time it worked fine. Now next time I simply put item hyphen details. I put this particular text and header hyphen details. Whenever you will do for the first time, you will get the expected output, no problem at all. Now I did for the second time. So now I will show you that I will not get the expected result. Suppose if I will log in into German language, extremely important point. Sorry, I forgot to put German language. I will not get the updated text because I told you from the practice perspective, I already did one-time translation. So in front of to you, I showed the second time translation. So I went to SFP transaction code. For the first time, you will not face any difficulty at all. Whatever translation you did, you will find the expected result. Now I'm running. If I will show you the output, that translated text will not update here. See, for this header details, I put header hyphen details. It is not appearing. For item details, I put item hyphen details. It is not appearing. Sales document number, I gave this particular text. It is not appearing. So what is the solution for the same? And many people face this issue that whenever you are going for the translation multiple times, because this is real project, customer might change the requirement multiple times. So what is the solution for the same? We have a very easy solution. Very easy solution. Go to your Adobe form. If you are going for translation for the multiple times and the text is not updating, do one thing. Go to your Adobe form. Click on to layout. Just go to your layout of the Adobe form. And simply save. Do not do any changes at all. Just save. And then activate your Adobe form. Done. Now, whenever I will show you, it will reflect. This is very easy solution. And if you will see on internet, so many queries we have for the same. That I did that translation for the second time, but it is not reflecting. So simple solution, go to your Adobe form, click on to your layout and save and activate. Do not do any changes. Now, if I will run this Adobe form, if I will show you the output, now you can see it is reflected. Header hyphen details, item hyphen detail. Extremely important point which we covered. Yes. So whenever you are doing that translation, but if it is not reflecting, just do one thing at that point of time. Go to your Adobe form or PDF form. Just click on to the layout button, save and activate, and changes will reflect automatically. So what is the summary of this particular video? In this video, if you have done the translation for the first time, you will get a expected result, no problem at all. But if after that, if your texts are changing, then what happened? Whatever that updated text you are passing, it will not reflect in the output. Then in that case, what you need to do? You need to simply go for your layout, go for saving of layout and activate the Adobe form. Suppose if I will go one more time, you will get more clarity. Suppose customer want to change that text. So I went to SC63. I will simply pass my Adobe form, English, and now we will go for German. Suppose customer is saying document category in German language is DC. DC. So you change it to DC. You activate it. Yes. Now we will log in into German language and DC will not reflect. If I will log in into German, sorry. If I will go to SFP transaction code, if I will run, and you can see we change the document category to DC, but it's not reflected. Once I will activate the Adobe form, yes, then it will reflect automatically. If I will go for my Adobe form, I will simply go for layout. I will save, close, and activate. Now, whenever I will open the Adobe form into German language. It will reflect this. I'm running, giving the input. And you can see now DC reflected. Extremely important point. Now in the next video, we will learn the translation of text module and include text. So that's it in this particular video. Thank you.